Steel isn't just any metal. It's a material that has shaped civilizations, powered industries, and transformed our world in ways you might not even realize. From the skyscrapers towering over cities to the cars we drive, the bridges we cross, and even in the appliances we use daily, steel is everywhere. But what makes steel so special? It's all about its composition, iron mixed with carbon and sometimes other elements, which gives it unparalleled strength, durability, and flexibility. The process of making steel has evolved over thousands of years, from early methods of heating and hammering iron to the modern blast furnaces that produce millions of tons annually. Now, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that about 75% of all the steel ever produced is still in use today? Thanks to recycling, steel keeps on giving without losing its strength or quality, making it a champion of sustainability in the material world. As we continue to innovate and build towards the future, steel will undoubtedly play a crucial role in our journey. Whether it's constructing eco-friendly buildings, pioneering new transportation methods, or even exploring space, steel's versatility and strength make it a material that's truly indispensable.